that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and every odd positive integer is of the form 2q plus 1 for some integer q. Let's understand this. Here positive integer refers to the dividend. So when the dividend is even, we must show that it's of the form 2q. And when the dividend, see a positive integer, when the dividend is odd, we must show that it's in the form 2q plus 1, where q is any integer. Let's begin. To use the Euclid's division lemma or to initiate the division process, we need two numbers a and b, where a is the dividend and b is the divisor. So let's call our positive integer, which is the dividend, to be a, and let the divisor b be equal to 2. See here, 2. Then by Euclid's division lemma, we have a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 is less than equal to r is less than b. We know the value of b is 2. The value of b is 2. So use the value of b as 2 here. A is equal to 2q plus r. B is 2. So 2q plus r. 0 less than or equal to r is less than 2 because b is 2. Now from this, we can find the values of r. R can take the values 0 or 1. Because we know when we divide by 2, that is when the divisor is 2, the remainder has to be less than 2. So the possible remainders are 0 or 1. So a is equal to 2q plus r, where the remainders can be 0 or 1. So let's take these two cases, when r is 0 and when r is 1. When r is 0, use the value of r as 0 here. We have a is equal to 2q plus 0, which means a is 2q. Now this expression 2q is clearly even because it's divisible by 2. 2q is 2 into q. So clearly 2q is divisible by 2, which means 2q is even. So that means this dividend, when the remainder is 0, is even. Now when r is 1, we have a is equal to 2q plus 1. See here, a is equal to 2q plus 1. Now we know that 2q is even, and since integers are either even or odd, when we add 1 to an even integer, we get an odd integer. 2q is even because it's divisible by 2. So to this even integer, when we add 1, it is an odd integer because integers are either even or odd. They alternate. Integers alternate between even and odd. So if 2q is even, 2q plus 1 has to be odd. So in this case, when the remainder is 1, 2q plus 1 represents an odd integer.